Right, good morning. Just checking it's filming in the right direction because you know me in this camera. Okay, a really quick one today. It's just doing the covers for the gardening journals that I showed you yesterday. I've done one. Um, it was quite a, yeah, I struggled with this. I didn't know whether to do a dark purple background or just a plain calico, but I've shown you that fabric that I've got here before, which has got, like, you know, botanical prints on it already, and I just kind of managed to, I picked up these tatting doilies yesterday at a car boot, so I thought that would be perfect. You can just see there's like a purple flower in the background, you just see it coming through and it just peeks through just enough, so yeah, liking that. I couldn't use the flowers double. Let me just grab the one that's still together. They were two in a yeah, together basically, but it was too much. It was overpowering the whole thing, so I've cut them apart and I've used part of the border, which is here. So I've used part of the border to run up the side of the journal cover, so really happy with that. I need to stitch it all down. I need to give it a good press, and then I intend to use one of the Tim Holtz title things, and I'm just going to put my garden, I think, or yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I think just my garden. So that's the start of it. It's just, let me just pop it down, slightly bigger than A5. It's the way I like to do them because, let me show you the signature. The signature just fits in quite nicely. I've got enough room here because obviously there's two signatures, so it should wrap around really nicely. Yeah, so that's that. The inside, let me just grab this. The inside of both journals, I've decided, I've got this lovely fabric. I did try this on here initially. It was just too much. It was too busy. You lost the tatting doily. It just lost it. So this slightly more plainer fabric is better, but it has got enough interest, you know, that it's not too blah, if that makes any sense whatsoever. So this will be the lining, which I think is going to look lovely, really botanical. It's got the purple theme going on, so perfect. So that's going to be the lining for both journals. I've got plenty. I bought a metre of that one. So I'm just, oh, and the actual, I got an Amazon order, and that those Amazon folders are perfect. So it'll be a, what do you call it, a hard cover? Yeah, it's semi-rigid, I guess, cover with the lining, so it'll be a nice robust journal. This one, I haven't got another one of these, but I've got plenty of cardboard, believe me, so that's fine. So I just thought I'd sit with you and just kind of, I don't know if I'll actually finish this one or what, but it's kind of the process that I go through. It is all about auditioning what you've got and what you're doing and all the rest of it. So let's have a look. I want to make them similar, but I don't want to make them identical. Let me make sure I'm in frame. I'll just go up there a bit and that's fine. Yeah, I want to, they're going to be similar but not identical. So this is the fabric, which is just lovely. Love this fabric. I'm really almost at the end of this now. I've got bits left and it's very frustrating because it has been the most wonderful fabric to work with. So yeah, I'm just going to faff around. I'm thinking of covering up that blue flower a bit more. That there. So let me, where's my scissors? There they are. I don't think I'll go up to the top this time. I want them to be slightly different. So I'm just going to chop this one down a bit. So I think that looks good there. And when I chopped the other flower, I chopped it down a little bit more than I did the original. Sorry, I'd lost me doily. So I'm kind of thinking of letting that flower show and maybe positioning this down here a bit. I tend to use this, if I put that there, that'd be quite a good position for that. Obviously it'll be, you know, covered in on the background there, so this is the bit where it's like, what do I do? I think there looks good actually. So we've got the bit of the pink flower showing here, bit of stuff going on there. I did cut off this single one off the other one, so I might add that somewhere. I'll tidy this one up first. I love making the covers. To me, they set the whole theme of a journal. So I wanted to get this next stage out of the way before I start any ephemera. Like I said, I think I said in the first one, I'm not going to make it. It's going to be purplish. It's not going to be all, you know, purple papers and stuff like that. So I'll just be adding little accents, I think. I had a terrific haul at the car boot yesterday. Absolute. I got tons of this tatting doilies and lace and stuff. So yeah, really excited to be able to start using some of that. So I might put that up there actually, just a little bit of balance here. Yeah, I'm liking that. Let me have a look through the screen. Yeah, I like that. Simple, but different to the other one, which is what I wanted. So let me put them side by side and you'll bits everywhere as usual. So I've still got a ton of this left. What I might do is use it throughout the journal, maybe a belly band. As I say, I don't over decorate my journals, so don't hold me to that. I might not. I might not. Who knows? Right, so that's that one. And then this is the other one. So similar but different. Different doilies. This is, you know, more on this side, this side. So I'm thinking they're gonna look quite good. Yeah. Maybe down there a little bit. Like that. Okay. I'll say this is going to be a real short one. I might add on some more lace and stuff like that. Once I've stitched it all, I'll show you the finished project. But I want to try and get a couple of videos done today. So I'll make this do for this one. This is the continuation of the gardening journals. All right. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.